What's up, guys? Welcome to another project day. I am excited. I love doing these videos. I love starting with a canvas that needs help and transforming it. So that is exactly what we're doing today. I am at my brother's apartment. It's a pretty small apartment, but we are going to try to bring some life to it. So I'm just going to show you what we're starting with, and then we're going to get started. I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. I know it is hot out here, plus we had to bring a lot of furniture up those stairs. So walking in the front, this is it. Everything over there is what we kind of brought in and we put to the side, but what we're really focusing on right here is this living room and kitchen area. I believe, you know what, I won't tell a lie, I'm not sure of the square footage, but I will find out and put it in the description box below. But it is a pretty small space, as you can see. But my brother, he's a single bachelor. He wants some boldness in here, and that's what we're going to try to give him. The good thing is that we had a lot of the big pieces taken care of. He has a sofa. He already has an entertainment center. So we're just going to add a couple of pieces and then possibly some paint on this wall, and then just bring it all together. So I have Jabari with me today to help me, and we are about to get it cracking. All right, guys, so this is the color. This is called, oh, hold on. It is called Onyx Black. So as y'all can see, this is going to be a pretty bold move for me to do this because the space is already small, but I'm just going to do it on this wall here. We're gonna cross our fingers and hope it goes well. Guys, the painting is done. Ooh, we did it. I'm not going to show you the whole thing, but we definitely did a black bold wall. Right now, the fun part, putting together furniture from IKEA. We all know how fun that can be. All right, y'all, we are done. I am waiting for my brother to get here. He should be here within the next 5 minutes or so. So, wow. Should I give y'all a sneak peek? Nah, we'll wait for him to get here. Let me close them.
Man, it better be fine.
Yes. All right. 1, 2, 3, open.
Oh. Hey, that truck got a photo. God, Nene. Oh, you weren't playing, huh?
Corey, you trying to be cool about it?
No, oh, Niesie done did it, huh? Got a little coat rack and all. Yeah, you done snapped, dog.
I get hugged.
Yeah, she snapped, y'all. She got me. This is fine.
Yeah.
The stab lab is open.
What? The stab lab? No, sir. That is not what this is.
Straight up.
Okay, guys. So I guess he liked it. We did it again. So now we out. On to the next one. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and share it. And yeah, tell us in the comments how much you like it. So I'll see y'all on the next one.
Man.